Hey everyone! In this video, we are diving into two super important tools in Adobe Illustrator, the Selection tool and the Direct Selection tool. Trust me, once you get the hang of these, you'll be moving shapes around like a pro. So let's get started. Take a look over here on the left toolbar. You'll see a black arrow and a white arrow. The black one is called the Selection tool and the white one is the Direct Selection tool. I'm just hovering my cursor over them right now. Easy to spot, right? Let me show you how they work. First, I'll quickly draw a couple of shapes on the artboard. There you go. And that's it, done. Now let's use the Selection tool, that's the black arrow. This tool helps you select and move entire object. I can select, click and drag to select both shapes and then move them around however I like. You can also scale objects with it. But watch out, if you just drag the corners, it might stretch weirdly. See this? It's getting all disproportionate. To scale things properly, meaning without messing up the shape, hold down Shift plus Alt or Option on Mac while dragging. This keeps the proportion intact. Alright, now for the Direct Selection tool, the white arrow. This one gives you a super precise control over the shape. Instead of moving the whole thing, you can click on individual anchor points, those tiny dots on the edge, and move them around to completely change the shape. Let's say I want to tweak just one corner. I click on it and boom. I can drag it, distort it, or even delete it and create an open path. Oh, and see these little circles at the corner? Click and drag these to make the corners rounded. So cool, right? Now let's talk quickly about something that trips people up, missing panels. Let's say you accidentally close your layers or swatches panel, like I have done. Oops, no worries. Just go to the window menu. From there, you can turn those panels back on. Easy fix. Or if things look totally messed up and you just want Illustrator to go back to how it looked when you first opened it, go to the top right corner of your screen, click on the workspace and choose Reset Essential Classics. And that's it. Everything's back in place. Alright, that's it for now. In the next video, we are going to talk about something really fun, that is shapes. So stick around and don't forget to save your work and experiment with the tools.